Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change our password on a school Chromebook. So the password on a school Chromebook is associated with your Google account. So in order to change the password, we need to change the password of our Google account. And in this video, I will also be telling you how you can reset your password on the Google Chrome when you forget your password accidentally and you are not able to log into your account and open up your school Chromebook. Then you can just reset your account. So we will be seeing that one also, but first let's see how we can change the password using our Google Chrome account. So for that, open up your browser and then click on this icon on the right hand side on top, your profile picture, and here click on manage your Google account. Let it open up, and after that just click on this option of personal info on the left hand side and scroll down to the very end almost, and then you will see this section of password here. Just click on it, enter your password and click on next, and then you will be able to change your password. And in case you have forgotten your password, just click on forget password and you will be sent a link to change the password as per your requirements or as per your choice when setting up a new password. So just click on forget password. If you don't remember the password anymore, you will be able to change the password if you are the owner of your account. Now let's see what we can do if we forget our password and we are not able to log into our Chromebook at all right from the beginning. So for that, on your password screen you have to press 4 keys together, and the keys are Alt, Control, Shift and R. You have to press all these 4 keys together and you will be prompted to the reset screen. After that, you have to just follow the procedure and reset your Chromebook. But let me give you a warning that when you try to reset your Chromebook, all your data will be lost and it will be a factory reset for your Chromebook. So make sure that you have backed up all your data on your Chromebook. In case something like this happens, you just reset your Chromebook by pressing these 4 keys. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.